Hi, in this video, I want to discuss how to calculate overtime in timesheet. Now, as you can see on your screen now, there are overtime that were already calculated in this timesheet. For example, on October 1, there is RWDOT, which is regular working day overtime of 4.17. And also on October 6, there is SHOT, which is special holiday overtime of 2.25 hours. And then on October 7, there is RWD and DOT, which is regular working day night differential overtime of 1 hour. And also HH and DOT, which is a special holiday night differential overtime of 1 hour. Now, how the system calculates these hours, this is the one I will show you in this video. Now, to have the overtime, first of all, there must be an approved overtime. So, just to show you about this overtime, so one of them is this. So, the status should be approved. And then here, you will see the start time and end time of the overtime and also the approved overtime hours. Now, as you can see here, you don't need to specify what type of overtime it is, whether it is a special holiday, ND, OT, something like that, or whether it is regular holiday or regular working day, or whether it is night differential or just regular. You don't need to mention that because the system can already determine whether it is special holiday and also if it is a night differential. Okay, so let me go back to the timesheet again. So let's say I will search for October 1 to October 15. Search. Okay, so all those approved overtime are here, can be found on the last column here. So this is the overtime ID. So right now we have 3 overtime approved, okay, which is overtime 1, which is 5 hours, and then overtime 2 from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. 3 hours, and then overtime 3 from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. So as you can see, it crossed date and also it crossed the 12 midnight. Okay, so let's analyze how the system calculated the overtime hours here that I've shown you before. So first is on October 1. So on October 1, approved overtime is 5 hours, that is from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Now the actual timeout is 9:10 p.m. As you can see, although the approved hours is 10 p.m., the actual timeout is only up to 9:10 p.m. So in this case, the credited overtime is only RWDOT, which is regular working day, because it's not holiday or rest day, of 4.17 hours. That means 4 hours and 10 minutes. Okay, so it means the system is intelligent enough to determine whether the approved overtime tallies with the actual timeout. So there is a counter checking. So although the approver blindly approves the overtime, the system will still check to the actual log of the employee, whether the employee really rendered that overtime or not. Okay, and then here On October 6, the approved overtime is 3 hours, but then it is from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. But then the actual timeout is again up to 8:15 a.m. only. So in this case, the credited OT is special holiday of overtime of 2.25 hours only. That's because it's only 2 hours and 15 minutes. And as you can see, it is special holiday because October 6 was declared as special holiday. Now, on October 7, there is an approved overtime of 2 hours, that is from 11 p.m. up to 1 a.m. Now, the actual timeout is 1:03. As you can see, it exceeded the approved overtime of 3 minutes. Okay. Now, in this case, the credited overtime is RWDNDOT, which is regular working day, night differential overtime of 1 hour. That is from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. So this is a regular working day because it is still on the October 6. Okay, so that is 11:15 up to 12 midnight. 11 p.m. to 12 midnight, 1 hour. And then here, from 12, actually this is 12 a.m. by the way, because it is 12 midnight, up to 1 a.m. So this one already on the October 7, that is it already crossed the date. So in this case, it is special holiday and the OT of 1 hour. Okay, so I think based on this example, you will able to understand how the system is dividing the hours of overtime based on the day and also based on what time it was rendered. Okay, so that's how easy it is to calculate overtime in timesheet. So if you have any question, please put it on the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.